Bass solo, take one. We're gonna shoot a group or two test up by Bergara. This is a Bergara 6.5 Creedmoor. I'm shooting Hornaday match, 140 grain. So it says muzzle velocity at 2710 feet per second. I chronographed it. They're liars. I got 2712. So, you know, what are you going to do, right? Let's shoot a group. All right. Let's go look at it. It looks like, I don't know, 1/2 inch to 3/4 minute angle with factory ammo out of a brand new Bergara. All right, so let's look at the group. That is 7/8. It's about 7/8. Yeah, not bad. So that's factory ammunition out of a factory built gun with a Burris XTR3 on it. This gun has less than 100 rounds through it. I've shot it a little bit, but the reality is it's still essentially brand new. So that's a Bergara LPR 2.0, or is it LRP? I don't know, I forget. I think it's LRP 2.0. It's a 24-inch barrel, Bergara barrel. In their action, it has an XLR stock, and it has a Trigger Tech trigger in it. I think all of those choices are pretty amazing. So this is not their budget gun. This is in the Premier series. This is a little bit more expensive than some of their other ones. They make another one that's in the $1,100 range that we sell a lot of, simply because there's not a whole lot of extra cost in the stock and in the trigger, and it shoots just as good as this one. So the barrel is really in a bolt action where you're going to see your impression. That and your trigger are the two things. And the Bergara trigger in the BMP model is also very exceptional. I picked this one up simply because I'm going to be using it in competition, and I need all the help I can get. Yeah, no doubt. Definitely need help I can get. This thing has been unbelievable shooting. I have shot 3-inch groups at 600 yards with this. Unfortunately, our 600-yard range today is closed. They're doing some maintenance over there, so I can't take it over there and get any video. The one thing that I have had a problem with it so far is the extractor, and this is indicative of any gun that uses that extractor type on there. I'll post a picture in here so that you can see what I'm talking about. What I found was that Bergara uses a cast part on their extractor claw instead of a machine part. We found that there's a company out there called AD Arms. That's it, capital A, capital D, Arms. that makes a replacement. It's machined, it pops out, it pops in. You got to be careful, it's spring loaded, and there's a ball bearing. You can shoot that crap and they will go air soluble on you, so don't lose them. But you can pop the old one out, pop the new one in, and the ball bearing cutout is much smaller, and because it's a machined part instead of a cast part, it's a lot more rigid and fits in there tighter, and the extraction problems went away. It's an $18 part. I wish Bergara would do that straight from the factory, but they don't. It's okay. The amount of quality that I'm getting out of that firearm, I'll buy an $18 extractor and put it in there myself. That's cool. That doesn't scare me at all, and don't let it scare you either. What we had to do to get a gun to shoot like this 10 years ago was probably $8,000 to $10,000 worth of work, easily, to build a gun, optic, get it all blueprinted, have the barrel cut custom, have it put in there. It's crazy the amount of money that you can save nowadays buying an off-the-shelf quality firearm. The Bergara is by far, in my opinion, one of the best, and I'm not sure that you can beat it at the moment. It is definitely exceptional. There are a lot of companies out there that are doing everything that they can to ruin themselves. Remington. And there are other companies like Bergara that are just stepping it up. They have a video on their website that shows how they mark and check all of their tolerances during the production phase. It's amazing. It's mind-boggling how quality their QC is, and it portrays. It comes out in targets like this within 100 rounds. This is barrel break-in. This is actually going to get tighter. I expect this group to get better with factory ammo, and that's shocking. So you can't beat it. If you're going to invest some money in a bolt action right now, look at the Bergaras. They are amazing.